What is this? What is this weird looking fella? Let's see. Alright, I gotta fix the settings of my microscope. Oh, interesting. It seems here we have a barreleye fish. Now, it looks a little sad, right? These eyes here, oh, so sad. Look at its frown. Well, joke's on you. These are actually nostrils. And these up here, these big bulbous domes, are the eyeballs, which are usually facing upwards. Shall we read a little bit about the barreleye fish? Also known as the Opisthoproptidae. These fish are about 6 inches and live in the depths about 10,800 feet under the sea. That's again a little bit over a mile down below. Whoa. And usually they have been spotted around the Pacific Ocean, and sightings of them are very, very rare. They have unusual upward-facing eyes that rotate within a transparent shield that covers the fish's head. See, this part is transparent so that the eyes can see through up above. Well, it seems like they can also rotate. They can see forward as well. This allows the barrel eye to peer up at potential prey or focus forward to see what it is eating. Here we have it. Here it looks like a freaking Pokemon. There's Rayquaza. Rayquaza? No, what's the other one? Anyways, as you can see, this fish also has bioluminescence. Ooh. I mean, what's bioluminescence? Well, I'll read. I think it explains it here. Better than I can off the top of my head. Let's see. Their large flat fins allow them to remain nearly motionless in the water and to maneuver very precisely. Their small mouths suggest that they can be very precise and selective in capturing small prey. On the other hand, their digestive systems are very large, which suggests that they can eat a variety of small drifting animals as well as jellyfish. So it seems that they mostly feed on probably like copepods and little jellyfish. Oh, there's so many. There's like such a wide variety of like different types of jellyfish that have been found. You know, at all types of depths of the sea. I think jellies would be good for a separate stream. So we're not looking at any jellyfish today, I believe, but so many interesting looking jellyfish. I'd love to show you guys soon. Anyways, let's see. Oh, the green pigmentation in the eyes, right. The green pigments in its eyes may filter out sunlight coming directly from the sea surface, helping the barreleye spot bioluminescent glow of jellies or other animals directly ahead. Oh, okay. So it does not glow, actually. It just filters out sunlight so that the barreleye fish can see very, very small and possibly far away bioluminescent jellies in the dark. And here we have actual footage. You may be thinking, Ame, that wasn't real. Those pictures aren't real. Well, here we have some footage captured of the barreleye fish. And it looks really weird. Yeah, I'm actually not too sure about the anatomy of the fish. Somebody in chat was asking, where's the brain? That's a very good question. Let's pull up the anatomy. Bubba, can you pull up the anatomy, please, of the barreleye fish? Let's see. Well, like I said about these types of fish that are found very deep in the ocean, not really too much is known about them. Let's see. I can't really find anything off a quick search. Perhaps here? Yeah, it's a little bit hard to find this type of information sometimes. There's not really that much is known about these types of fish. Interesting. I like their face. This face? It's so cute. It's not a face, but it looks weird. I wonder how a fish even evolves to become like this. Very interesting. It's just the pressure. Deep pressure. Oh, that's cute. Sorry, I'm looking at more fishies. Okay, well, maybe we'll come back to this as Boba does his research. Shall we move on? It's really interesting, yeah. Ah, dang it. Oh. What is this? It looks like a person dancing. Or, it looks like a lizard that learned how to run on its back legs. Or maybe a dinosaur. It's Nessie! What could this be? Let's adjust the knobs. Whoa! The gulper eel. Now, similar to the black swallower, the gulper eel can extend. Except instead of its tummy, it's the mouth that extends. Massive mouth. Let's see. Let's read a little bit about the gulper eel. These jaw-dropping eels, also known as pelican eels, can reach up to 3 feet long. They are named for their massive mouth and jaw, which assist in their swallowing of prey whole. Kind of like snakes, yeah. Wow, they're like underwater snakes or something. They have elongated bodies with a luminous organ at the end of their tail. Similar to an anglerfish. You guys know anglerfish, right? I feel like that's one of the, or probably the most well-known deep-sea creature. The gulper eel can be found in mid-waters of tropical and temperate seas worldwide, from 1,600 feet to 10,000 feet deep, to a mile deep. Whoa. Its diet seems to consist of crustaceans. Its diet seems to consist of crustaceans, cephalopods, other invertebrates, and, if needed, larger fish. These eels are believed to ingest its prey along with a quantity of water, which is then expelled out through their gills. Oh, look how far it can, like, that's its mouth. That's not its tummy. That's crazy. It's kind of hard to, like, really imagine how big it can extend based off of, like, this image or other images. But seeing it in motion is really incredible. Like, that, compared to the rest of its body, that's huge. Huge! These eels are rare, so not much is known about them, but they are found all over the world and considered as a species of least concern, which means they are thought to be at risk of extinction, possibly. Now they're pretty rare to come across, so again, not a lot of stuff known about these creatures aside from their massive jaws and perhaps their diet. I couldn't find anything about their breeding, but who knows? Maybe I had to dig a little bit deeper in the Ame decks. I don't believe it floats with the air, as it also is swallowing water along with its prey, which it then expels through its gills. So, you know, this is just a process that doesn't last too long. But I imagine if it did swallow, like, air bubbles or something, it would just, like, fly away. Alright. Speaking of water, hydrate time! I'm a fishy. I need water. Alright. He's dancing. Baba, stop touching the knobs. Ooh. What is this? Any guesses for what this might be? Now, I said there's no jellies included in today's deep sea review. It's not a jellyfish. Is it Kiara? No. Kiara, no, this is not Kiara's phoenix form, no. It's Pikachu. No, it's not Pikachu. Oh, a squid. That's a good guess. I think this is gonna surprise you guys. It's pretty hard to determine what it is based on its look. But this is actually... It's called a pink see-through fantasia, which is also, surprisingly, a type of sea cucumber. It's very odd looking. Very, very odd looking. Its scientific name is Neatstes eximia. The pink see-through fantasia is surprisingly a type of sea cucumber, as I told you guys, which scientists only discovered in 2007. They are known to grow around 4 to 10 inches in length and can be found at depths of roughly 8,200 feet in a remote area of the Pacific Ocean, a very small section of the Pacific Ocean. Oh, oops. I think I have another picture attached here. Here we have a much clearer view of this. Obviously, you know, its name comes from the fact that you can see through it. And it does have a slight pink hue to it. So, weird sea cucumber. Have you guys ever sea cucumbers, they look like cucumbers that you find in the sea. And have you guys ever touched a sea cucumber before? Sometimes if you go to an aquarium, you can find they have a tide pool exhibit or something where you can reach in and you could touch a sea cucumber. They're very slimy. Yeah, usually very slimy. No, they're not for eating, although you could probably eat them. Probably. Okay. As you can see through it, you can tell its mouth, anus, and intestines all remain visible from the outside. Yeah, you definitely see that. On this part, I guess this part is like the exit, you know? And then this is, I'm assuming this is the mouth. Actually, yeah, I mean, it's connected. The intestines, and yeah, this part here. And little tiny feet, yeah, it's got little tiny, I don't know what to call them. I don't know if I should call them tentacles or feet. Appendages. I will call them appendages. Just like other bioluminescent creatures, the species emits light. This is another, I believe a darker version. I believe this is, yeah, they called this, for some reason on Google, this was called the headless chicken monster. Because it kind of looks like a head crab in this shot. But this is I believe this is also a pink see-through fantasia. Yes, it looks like a jellyfish here. Can we enhance? It looks funny. It looks like reproductive organs. Alright, a little bit more. Yes, just like other bioluminescent creatures, this species emits light. In fact, when in danger, it uses that to alarm potential predators. Don't eat me, or else I'll shine really bright! Now, if you guys are confused at what bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by a living organism. It is a form of chemiluminescence. Bioluminescence occurs widely in marine vertebrates and invertebrates, as well as some fungi, microorganisms, including bioluminescent bacteria and terrestrial arthropods, like fireflies. Fireflies are bioluminescent as well. I think bioluminescence is really interesting. What causes bioluminescence? Bioluminescence occurs through a chemical reaction that produces light energy within an organism's body. For a reaction to occur, species must contain luciferin, a molecule that, when it reacts with oxygen, produces light. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, I wish I was bioluminescent. Maybe I am. I've never tested it. Maybe I am bioluminescent. Maybe we'll test it later. I am if I believe I am. Hey, Bubba! Get out of here! Bubba! Ah! Dang it. I gotta readjust the knobs. After some water.